Hi, very good evening. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, that is E and Z isomerism. In E and Z isomerism, E means antigen and it is opposite, also known as opposite. Whereas Z, this is isomer, means together. So as in a compound, when we cannot assign cis-trans isomerism or syn or anti-naming system, then we will use E and Z nomenclature. So in this case, it follows the conditions of cis-trans isomerism, but one condition is not common. So in that case, we will assign E and Z isomerism. So to assign E and Z isomerism, first here the main portion is we have to assign priority. We have to assign priority of each group attached to double bond by CIP rules. And what are CIP rules? Means Chan in gold prelog sequence rule. CIP rules full form is Chan in gold prelog sequence rule. CIP rules tells us, first of all, atom of first point of attachment having higher atomic number is given highest priority. Means to the double bonded carbon atom, this double bonded carbon atom, we will check the group. There are two atoms attached, one is hydrogen and second one is bromine. So on the basis of higher atomic number, priority for bromine is more, so it is of highest priority, and for hydrogen means it has lowest priority. Now, in case if to the double bonded carbon atom two different isotopes are attached, then in this case heavier isotope is most preferred. Means priority is given to higher atomic mass, or we can say heavier isotope. So this is the second rule. This is the second rule of Chan and Gold prelog sequence. And in case of third rule, if the atom of first point of attachment is same, goes to the next atom to find the difference and so on. Then, but it says, let us discuss this type of example. Means to the double bonded carbon atom, this is the double bonded carbon atom, and to this double bonded carbon atom, first attachment atom is same. Here carbon and here is also carbon atom. And in this case, we will discuss, next atom of attachment. And here next atom of attachment is again hydrogen. This is again same. Then we will discuss again next atom. So like this, these are hydrogen atoms, and here again carbon, and so on. So in this case, if we are taking here hydrogen, suppose we are taking here hydrogen and here carbon is attached. So see here, this is a double bonded carbon atom. This is carbon atom. To the carbon atom, first point of attachment is with the carbon. Here also with the carbon. Now, second atom attached is hydrogen. Here also hydrogen. Third atom attached is hydrogen. Here also hydrogen. But now again next atom attached, here is hydrogen. Here is carbon. So atomic number of carbon is more. So it will be more preferred. So in this case, preference given to this carbon atom is 1 and to this carbon atom will be 2. Okay. Whereas fourth rule, CIP fourth rule, the double bonded atom is considerably to be duplicated and triply bonded atom is considered to be triplicated. For example, in this case, in carbonyl, CHO can be interpreted as, it will be like this. So here oxygen, here carbon. CN can be interpreted as कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन नाइट्रोजन, नाइट्रोजन के साथ यहां पे कार्बन एंड कार्बन. Means all the atom in brackets are unreal. These are imaginary. These all atoms are imaginary. These all atoms are imaginary. Means, but this rule says double bonded atom or triple bonded atom, these are considered as duplicated or triplicated. Now, we will discuss here examples how to assign E or Z isomerism. Let us consider an example. In this example, there is restricted rotation about the carbon-carbon, this carbon-carbon double bond. And first of all, in the left side of carbon, there is one deuterium, there is one hydrogen. So more preference is given to deuterium. So deuterium will be assigned as 1 and hydrogen will be assigned as 2. Similarly, in the right hand side, there is one group, methyl group, and second group is ethyl group. And in this case, first point of attachment in both cases is carbon. Here carbon. Second point of attachment, here 2 hydrogen, here 3 hydrogen. Means second point of attachment and third point of attachment in both cases are same. Whereas third point of attachment in this case is carbon, whereas in this case there is hydrogen. So this is a larger group because carbon atom has higher atomic number, so it will be more preferred. So preference will be given to this group, so it will be of highest priority. It is of 1, it is of 2. Now we had assigned the priority. Now what we will see here, we will check if to the double bonded carbon atom same site, or we can say on diagonal position, if same priority is present, it is E, and it is also known similar to trans isomerism. It is also similar to trans isomerism. And to assign these priority, we can consider the chain rule also. See here carbon, to the double bonded carbon atom there is one methyl. There are 3 hydrogen atom. In this case, two hydrogen, one carbon. So atomic number of carbon is more. So it will be more preferred. Means higher priority is given to longer chain. That's why this ethyl group is named as or numbered 1 or given priority 1. Now, we have an example of CH3C at C double bond C CHO COO H carboxylic acid group. We have to assign whether it is E or Z. So our first step is to assign the priority. So in this case, atomic number of hydrogen and first point of attachment here is carbon. So atomic number of carbon is more, so it will be most preferred. Here priority will be 1. For hydrogen priority will be 2. Now we will move towards the right hand side and towards the right hand side to assign priority in CHO and COOH group. We have to again check chain rule. So in case of chain rule, we will write this group in the expanded form. So in this case, there are COOH. COOH. So in this case, there is duplicate with the oxygen for the double bond, and here one duplicate with the oxygen and one OH is present, but there is only one duplicate of oxygen, but only hydrogen is present. Means simply we can say here two oxygen atom, here one oxygen atom. So carboxylic acid group will be given more preference. Carboxylic acid group will be given more preference. Due to this oxygen, there is duplication. So duplication with the oxygen. So this oxygen is already present, and due to this double bond, there is duplication with oxygen. And then OH. Duplication of oxygen and OH group will be remains as such. In this case, duplication of oxygen OO and hydrogen will remain same. Now, see here, these two are common, but here hydrogen and here oxygen. So more preference is given to this group. This will be 1, this will be 2. Now, see here, priority is assigned. Now, same priority in diagonal position. Same priority in the diagonal position. It is similar to trans, or we can say very similar to trans. So it will be assigned E isomer. It will be E isomer. Now, again another example. We have example of this compound. Now here CH3 group and hydrogen groups are given in left hand side, whereas ethyl and ethyl fluoride groups are given in the right hand side. These two groups. So first we will assign priority, and then on the basis of that we will assign E and Z isomerism. So as per first point of attachment in left hand side is carbon and here hydrogen, more preference is given to carbon atom. It will be of 1 priority. Hydrogen will be of second priority. Similarly in the right hand side, CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. So this point of attachment of 3 atoms is common. Now again here up to this CH2 group, here also CH2 group, same point of attachment. Here last atom is hydrogen, whereas here last atom is fluorine. Fluorine have higher atomic number, so it will be most preferred. It will be 1, it will be 2. And now same priority on diagonal position, it will be E isomer. Is it clear? Now another example we can take here to how to assign E or Z isomerism. Again, in same compound, similarly, very similar question in the left hand side. So now here, first point of attachment is carbon, here hydrogen. It will be more preferred. It will be numbered 1. Whereas this hydrogen will be numbered as 2. This is of least priority as compared to carbon atom. Now, in the right hand side, see here, this up to CH2, this is common. These 3 points of attachment are common. Whereas fourth point of attachment here iodine, here fluorine. Now see, iodine have higher atomic number, so it will be more preferred. So for this priority will be 1 and for fluorine priority will be 2. Now see, in diagonal position opposite priority is given, means it will be Z isomer. Is it clear how to assign E and Z isomerism? Any confusion in this part? ये था हमारे पास E and Z isomerism के लिए. Next portion we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.